Hey, this is Sabrina, lead trainer for Ballen Brands. Today I'm going to show you how to create a saved search for contacts and add it to your Infusionsoft dashboard. So first thing you have to do is go into your contacts. Just go to the Infusionsoft logo in the upper left, then go to contacts. And then from here, you are going to go ahead and click on new search. This is going to create a brand new search here for you. Now in here, you can choose any search criteria that you want to create this list. For me, I'm just going to go ahead and search for a tag. Okay, and I'm just going to do one of these tags here and hit search. Okay, I don't have any contacts with that tag, but that's okay. I'm just going to go ahead and hit the save button. And I'm going to name this Autopilot ISA Contacts. Arrival campaign. Okay. And then when you go ahead and save this, you want to make sure that you choose any user in your system that you want to have access to this list. So for this one, I just need to give myself access. So I'm going to just go ahead and keep myself selected and hit save. Okay. Now what you're going to do is you're going to go back to your dashboard. So I'm going to click this little house icon at the top. Then from here, I'm going to hit add widgets in the upper right. And I'm going to scroll down to custom statistics, and I'm going to add that to my dashboard. And in this section, you want to make sure saved search is selected. We are going to keep it on count. I'm going to choose contact by all categories here. And then you can find your contact search here. So I have Autopilot ISA contacts, which is what I just created here. I'm going to hit save. And now it's added to my dashboard here. And this number will show you how many contacts are currently meeting the criteria of that search. And if you click on that number, it will take you to the list of all the contacts that meet that search criteria. Right now, there isn't any, so it's a 0. But if somebody were to meet that criteria, then they would show up on that list. I'm going to go ahead and hit the blue rename link to rename this stat, and I'm going to call this Autopilot ISA Contacts. Okay. If you want to add a second option to that list, you can hit add another stat, and you basically do the same thing. Saved search, count, contact, and choose another list. I'm going to go ahead and just do hot leads just so we have a couple options on there. And now you can see hot leads has 2 contacts that meet the criteria. So if I go ahead and click on that number, it's going to go ahead and show me both people that are in that list that meet that criteria. And one thing to keep in mind with these is they only allow for 10 searches in one. So sometimes I'll find that I'll have to create a second widget to go under it and call it Autopilot ISA Contacts 1, Autopilot ISA Contacts 2. So if there's more than 10 searches that you have, then you may need to create another widget and just label them that way. So that is pretty much it. If you have any questions, you can always contact us at team@ballenbrands.com. And if you want more videos like this one, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel at youtube.com/Lori Ballen. Thanks for watching.